This is a monthly subscription box that comes straight to your door each and every month, and it's great for people that love to quilt, to sew, or just to do any type of fabric-related crafting. So I already took it out of the priority envelope, which it is so packed, it is so heavy. So it came yesterday, but I was a little bit under the weather yesterday, not feeling well. So it's been on my mind all night long, and it's very early in the morning here. Actually, it's still dark out, but I wanted to open this up. I was thinking about it all night long, so I just thought, you know what, the dog had to go out. Let's just get up, and let's just, oh my goodness. Let's just get this bag open. I'm being very careful to open, because I don't want to cut anything that's inside. I did that once quite a while ago, and I kind of snipped the little bag that was inside, and oh, I'm excited already. So if you're not yet a member of this, you will definitely want to go and check it out. I have never been disappointed, and it seems like Vicki and all the people at Creative Notions do a fantastic job each and every month. So I love the bags. So Vicki is making her own bags and putting her own little tag on here, which is really cute. Their icon for the Creative Notions is these little vintage trailers, which I love vintage trailers. I so have gotten into them. They are all the rave now. So look at this cute little bag to begin with. This little drawstring. She has another little tag on the inside here. It says Creative Notions. And boy, this is a real nice weight. I've been accumulating all these bags. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I want to embroider on them or do something fun on them. They're great to re-give, or if you're like me, just collect. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's even more inside. Oh, I'm telling you. Vicki, I don't know how you do this. Now, Vicki does send me my subscription absolutely free. That's how wonderful she is, because I like to do these videos and share it all with you. So let's take a look. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know where to start first. So let's start with something new that Vicki's been doing. You can go ahead as a subscriber and submit your recipe, and she's going to choose a recipe each and every month to put in your subscription bag. So this is for a cranberry walnut braid, and I love recipes. I love what's the word I'm looking for? I love collecting recipes. So this looks, I like it when it's not a whole lot of stuff, you know, and this looks like something definitely I would like to try. So, ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so here is the little flyer that's included. So this is the January 2020 subscription from Creative Notions. Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. Maya Angelou. So that is, I like that. So her theme this month is Choose to Shine, and she has a Facebook group, so you'll want to check out Creative Notions on Facebook. So she was giving us little hints. So she had a drawer with all kinds of paper products. She had a little emblem with a star that was, you know, so that was the star that was shining. So I could see why she had that, because I can't believe what this big book is. So she does that right before they are shipped out, and they're shipped out at the beginning of the month, so you'll get it right to your mailbox. So inside here, the beautiful fabric this month is Choose to Shine by Cherry, and I'm sorry if I mispronounced this, Guidry for Contempo. We've included the beautiful panel. Oh, I love panels. 24 by 44 plus 5 fat quarters, value $24. And here's the recipe. So the winner is Karen Lee. So Karen has won a 2.5-inch stripy pre-cut of Choose to Shine. So congratulations, Karen. That's so exciting. So you send in your favorite family recipes, and you'll be included in a recipe book that they're going to share at the end of 2020. Creative Notions also has a kids club, and I'm half tempted to join that kids club. I have a grandson. I wish he lived closer. He's about an hour away, but I really think he would love to, even though he's a boy, I mean, it doesn't matter anymore. He loves to do crafts, and I think that would be something he would love to do. Oh, we have a maker's planner. Oh my goodness. Let me stop for a moment. I didn't get a planner for this year because I contemplated and I didn't. So, oh my gosh, Vicki, how could you possibly do all of this? This is $24. The value of the planner is $25. Plus, we get, every month, we get these little zappy dots, which are really fun. That's $3.50. Oh my gosh, quilt labels, how exciting. $10.49. I mean, how could you do this for the amount that your subscription box is only? So, we have a beautiful planner. Let's see, they'll help you plan and organize for the coming year. Oh, I so need that. Was especially made for the subscribers of Creative Notion subscription box. Isn't that fabulous? There's going to be additional embellishments in future boxes to decorate and enhance your planner. So, like I said, the zappy dots, and there's labels, plus the fabric, and share a package with a friend, and if they sign up, you get a next package for free. So I would love if you would give it a try. And look at this cute little chick here. So that's just that. We haven't even started yet. So let's see what we have here. This isn't even included on the list of things. So much fabric, so little time. Oh, what a cute little pen. Isn't that cute? And then we have our fabric, so we'll save that for last. And then we have believe in yourself and the world will believe in you too. That's so cute. Oh, and there's our cute little zappy dot. So these are little magnetic, you can use them for magnets, but Vicki already sent us a real pretty necklace that you can interchange them in and out each and every time to go with whatever you're wearing for that day. Or you can use them for magnets, or you can collect them on a board. So many things. So here we have our quilt labels, and she also included an all-purpose marker that you can use to sign. So how fun are these? There's 5 labels and the marker. These are so fun. I've been thinking of getting some little labels to put on the items that I sew. I'm just starting to do a little bit of quilting. I posted on the Facebook page the other night, and that's a real cute marker. I'm going to leave that in there. What I did with one of the Moose subscription box. So this is a 2, oh, and it's super nice and thick. 2, made with love, by and date. That's so pretty. Oh, and look at the cute little tag one. That's so nice. I love to sew and give things away. Quilt name, pattern, fabric. Oh, so pretty. Handmade for you by, with a date. And then we have so happy to make this for you. Oh, isn't that super cute? And here are instructions for the labels. So you just hand sew them in place is what they're recommending. So super cute. I love that. And of course the marking pen to write on it, which is a great addition. So let's check this out. Maker's Planner. Sorry for the crinkling. My cat's already looking. She's like, ooh, what is that crinkling sound? There you are, Dory. We got a little bent in the mail, but that's no worries. So look at, oh, and oh my gosh, I've had these before. These are lemon flavored. They're like those melt in your mouth mints. So that's super fun. Look at this planner book. Super excited. Oh my gosh, I just can't believe it. Let me open it up here. Won't be able to go page by page, but we'll just take a little look-see-loo. All your contacts. Oh, look at this, how super cute. There's a little zipper pouch inside. And sorry about this showing you. I didn't want to show that. When I was sewing the other night, this is what an iron can do if it hits the back of your hand. It's very painful. But anyhow, it's getting better. It's just taking some time. So look at a quilting abbreviations and acronyms. Yardage chart. Oh, I need that. Pre-cut chart. Oh, for a jelly roll. Half yard layer cake. I'm sorry, because it's early morning. My voice isn't quite there yet. Oh, this is so fun. Fabric groups. The color wheel, which is I mean, I really need help with that. I can use that in my stamping, making cards and that. Swap planner. Mark important swap dates. So if you get involved in doing swaps. Oh, and then here you can list them all. And here's January. Churn dash block. So they're going to give you different samples of blocks. And here's a little pocket in here. And habit tracker. Good tip is to use colored pens to easily distinguish each activity. Oh, that's fun. And here, oh, and I love this. And I love that this is spiral bound because you could fold it over as you're working and the binding doesn't get in the way. Nice big blocks. Project sheet. So you can use this for many other things, even if you don't sew a lot, if you do any type of projects, even with work, if you're doing work projects. Oh, and a grid page. And, oh, look at this. You could slip little notions or little tags or things in there. That's great. So, important dates. Here's a QuiltCon in Texas and a Quilt Week show. Oh, this is fabulous, Vicki. I love this. So I would think, yep, the rest of it pretty much goes like that, which is great. And here's March. And what do we have here? We have another one of those. There's 4 little areas that you can put things in. And look at downtown PA. I wonder how far that is from Wilkes-Barre, PA. I'm in Wilkes-Barre. I'll have to check that out. Might be something I want to check out. And every month you have a different block. So that is fun. So let's see, April, we have another 4 pocket. And look, every month there seems to be a quilt show. Who knew that, right? Here's another one. So here's one in May. And let's check June. Look at the pineapple block. That's super pretty. And so, I mean, I'm telling you. Now, if she has any of these left, you might still be able to get one. On her website. There's July. I love the tulip block. I'm going to have to try myself with one of those. August. And, well, I'm not going to go through the whole thing here because I want to look at the fabric, but there's no. Let's just take a quick flip through. Oh, how cute. December. There's November. October. September. Oh, it's a leaf. How pretty. And back to August, which is super fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so loving this. I just don't know how you do this. I really don't. Okay, so let's take a look at the fabric. So she said there was a panel in here, which is super fun. Bring your own sunshine. Ooh. And Vicki also has a YouTube channel, so you'll want to check out her YouTube channel. So she'll give us some ideas as to what to do with the panel. But look at how super cute. Oh my gosh, I hope the color is coming through. Shine like the stars. Dream big, sparkle more, shine bright. So look at how pretty this is. This is so pretty. I love it. Love it. So there's that. And look at how it coordinates with the planner. Like, really? And here's our other little fat quarters. So we have this pretty fabric. Oh, how bright and sunshiny. Look at how pretty. Oh, and this is super cute. It coordinates with the panel. I'm going quickly because I'm running out of time on here. But let me open them all up and we'll take a look. Look at how super pretty they all are. And everything just coordinates right down to the bag, to the planner, to the panel. Trying to gather this all together. These cute little labels. Don't forget the candy. Our little Zappy Dot. And the flyer and the pen. So, I mean, really? Why wouldn't you want to subscribe to receive all this fun delivered right to your door? Oh, let's not forget the recipe. Definitely want to try that. So, please consider going on over to Creative Notions. You can email them. There's their email right there if you need to email. And check out their kids club. And here's their website and all their information there. So definitely, you'll want to subscribe. You don't want to miss out on receiving another one of these months. Thanks for joining me. see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.